You guys ready to hear 3 cold start with 3 very nice sounding cars? I feel like I treat you quite well. A 2nd gen cold start, 1st gen speed cold start, and a Mazda 3 sedan cold start. One day that's gonna sound beautiful. One day this will sound beautiful. So let's go listen to some nice cars. So we got another bad day with the speed. That's how it always goes. It's always bad days with the speed. But today is actually a good day because what I told you a couple videos ago that was supposedly a myth and wasn't gonna happen this year is going to happen this year. Whoop-de-doo! Amber's going wide body. Now she's not going wide body like wide body kit, but she's gonna be flared. So the weekend that just passed, Amber was supposed to go to one of our like big Mazda guys here who's got like super nice cars, super nice Mazdas. You guys will probably know his Instagram, Monster Turbo. He's got a flared sedan and he's got a race car, 2.3 built. It's super nice. So anyways, he was going to cut the inner lip of my fenders for me. And after, I do need to go flared because rust is always growing back. Already growing back. This needs to be done ASAP. And I need to get this repainted. This car is just going to shit real quick. This needs to go, okay? This needs to go. This will keep growing back. I'm kind of scared what's underneath that at this point, just seeing this, because this is already like how it was before. So anyways, we were gonna cut the inner lip to a point, but after kind of looking and measuring, because the inner lip would be sharper after we cut it, it would just absolutely destroy my tire and my tire still wouldn't clear. So today, unfortunately, these were my first set of aftermarket wheels, and I've had them for 2 years. They've been on all my cars except the 323 and Squirt. But today is the unfortunate day where we finally get rid of these. If you guys remember Sammer and his 1st gen Mazda 3, he's going to be coming and picking these up tonight. So I am pulling them off and putting a different set of wheels on this car to get it ready to be flared. Sammer picking these up is giving me the freedom to be able to go out and buy flares and get this project started with this car. So confirmed today, you guys heard it here. The Mazda 3 is going to be flared. Really didn't want to do it till next year, but that's how things go. And unfortunately, really actually just coming out here and seeing this rust come back just tells me this needs to be done ASAP. So the whole, what's telling me again is that this whole like quarter panel is basically just gonna fill with rust one day. So basically why I'm flaring this is to get rid of pretty much somewhat most of this mess, to at least just get rid of that rust. We're gonna seal it with weld, fill it with silicone or whatever, flare it out, and then get a set of wider wheels. Obviously, if I do flare it, we're gonna be looking at probably a 2 to 3 inch kind of wider flare, enough so that it hangs down where we can cut more is what we're looking for. And unfortunately, these wheels aren't gonna be suitable. I could run spacers, but I'm not going to. I'd rather just get a proper wheel. So that is why Sammer is coming to pick these up today. And then once he comes and buys these, then I'll be looking for flares. You know, they really don't look that bad. it's what it is. What it is. All right, I just ate dinner. It's starting to get really dark out. Samer's on his way. I gotta take off the passenger side of the wheels now, get these out of the way, and then once the wheels are off, I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up, clean the tire lettering, re-glue it so he doesn't have any issues. So on the other hand, come check out these wheels. I made some new friends. Look at Doggo in the back. He's like, what? New friend? This one's okay. This one's made some friends. This one doesn't have a nest of spiders, so that means they've hatched. Actually, I see one, which means they're all over them. We're gonna have spider cleaning duty. On the other hand though, as you guys can see, these are split and are showing wires, which means the speed is pretty much undrivable.
Oh, you got the Gen 2s on there.
Samer.
Hey, bud.
Take a wheel and put it up to your car. You could take the one that's already out there, but you could take... Okay, that's fine. Don't drop it.
Oh,
they're not mine anymore, they're yours. Yeah, it's gonna be tight.
That's gonna be dope.
It's gonna be tight. So, here's the speed now. Sitting on the snowflakes. Undrivable. They don't look bad, but they're just beaten up. And the offset's horrible. And it looks fine for now. It looks better than... What was on it before? The OEM. The OEM first gen.
I hate OEM.
Yeah, these look so much better on this car. It's so weird. You guys haven't really seen this car, but there's lots of this car. So, upon Samer's approval, when he puts the wheels on, I like to make a modless video, because like you guys really enjoyed when I did on my sedan, and it's pretty much the same as this, except this has a lot more like budget ideas that you guys would probably be more approving of.
The interior is something. The interior changes a lot.
The interior gives you there's a lot of interior ideas like versus what I did. So I when he gets the wheels on and gets it all ready, I'd like to make a modless video with this, even though there's something wrong with it. Like, what's that? It's fine. That's just I approve. I approve. It's a fake. I approve. It's okay. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Now that these are off, we're gonna go ahead and clean these up, and if it's a nice day, then Samer's gonna come here and we're gonna put them on. Tire lettering looking super white again. These are ready to go to Samer's new home. Samer, you just have to clean them. Yeah. I'm too lazy to do that. This is the farewell of these poor girls, and now Amber looks like... What's going on with me, dude? All my cars are having a downgrade. This is back on stock wheels after being cool for like 2 months and not being driven. And then the catless downpipe is sitting in the garage with the sway bar. Nothing's happening. I'm funding him so he can make more videos. Exactly, thank you. So I can be a part of the video and enjoy it. Samer, you're the reason why this is gonna have fender flares on it. I know, see, when this looks mint and this is driving good, I get to get in it and he gives me a ride and I'm like, yeah. But you don't drive it. No, I don't want to drive it. I'll probably kill myself. But, you know, you drive it, I should sit. Yes. Give it a little rev, see? Time to go online and find some flares for the speed. And on that note, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and comment down below what you guys think. I'm gonna go online right now, get some brackets for this so we can put that on, and I'm gonna get the finishing thing for Squirt so we can get that car out of here, and all is going well so far. And I gotta pay off another speeding ticket. Anyways, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.